Once you've created a project and started a video edit, you may now begin editing your video. There are 5 basic tools that you're going to use when editing your video. The first tool is Media, and this is where you will drag in pictures and videos that you have already uploaded into your media section of WeVideo. The second tool is adding text. You can add static titles, titles that don't move, or you can add motion titles, titles that have movement. You can also add music, transitions, and graphics. I'm going to quickly show you how to use these 5 tools. The first thing I'm going to do is add a title to the beginning of my video. I could choose a motion title. To edit titles, I would double-click on the title, and from there, I can click on my text properties and begin editing the title. I can change the font. I can change colors and lots of other options within these editing tools. When I'm finished, I just click Done Editing, and I can view my title slide. As you can see right here, it's just got a black background. If I want to add some color to that, I can go here to my backgrounds or my graphics and drag down a background that I would like to use. And this is a layering technique with WeVideo. Because I want this image in the background, it needs to be under the words. I also want to click on this and drag the words to match the length, or drag the image to match the length of the words. So now you can see I have a different background instead of just the black. I can do the same thing with a static title. Again, the title just will not move. So I'm going to click on my motion title and click backspace to delete and drag down the static title. Again, I double click to edit, and I can add my title. I can also move this around on my screen. So if I want the title in the bottom corner or centered, if I want to turn it just a little bit, I can edit all kinds of things within this editing screen. I can make my font bold, I can underline it. So there's lots of different editing options. When I'm finished, I'm going to click Done Editing. And again, here's my title. This one doesn't move because I chose a static title. I'm going to again make this the length of my background so that they match. The next thing I can add in is music. I'm going to drag down music from here. I can click on it and listen. And choose the music that I want. Keep in mind, if you choose music from WeVideo, you do not have to be concerned about copyright. However, if you choose music from somewhere else and upload it, you do need to be concerned about copyright laws. I'm going to drag that down to the audio layer so that now my video has music. Just as I trimmed the words and the picture, I can trim my audio if I wanted to. So I will drag that back just a little bit. But right now I'm not done with my video, so I don't want to completely finish editing my sound. So I'm going to leave that a little bit longer for now. I can also add transitions. So let's say I had my title slide here, but then maybe I also want to add another title that introduces another part of my video. I'm going to drag my picture to make it just as long. And as you'll notice, the video is going, or the title slides are going to jump from one to the other. If I want to add a transition, maybe I want it to blur when it goes from one title to the next. And you can see how it quickly blurred in and out. So there's lots of different transitions you can add in. If I don't like a transition, I can click on it and delete, and then I could add something different in. Some of them are very subtle, others are a little more obvious. So there's lots of things you can add with those. The final thing I want to show you is how to add media. For this, it's very simple. If you want to add a picture, you just drag and drop the picture. You can decide which layer it goes on. And I'm going to delete that one, click and backspace. And you can also drag and drop videos. This is actually a green screen video, and I'll show you in another video how to use the green screen effect.